Hey everyone, welcome back to Freestyle American English. I'm Eric, an ESL teacher, helping you learn English through stories, and this week is week 8 of my YouTube journey. This week, nothing major happened, no viral videos, no big surprises, but I stayed consistent, kept working, and came up with some new ideas that really excite me. One of my new ideas is learn English through stories. Stories are powerful. They teach language and emotion. Some of these stories come from my own life, real moments that shape me, from living abroad to teaching in Turkey. Others come from everyday English experiences that learners can easily relate to. I also started a fun side project called Peeves in English. It's all about those little things that drive us crazy and the vocabulary that goes with them. It's educational, funny, and honest. And I think students will love it. This week reminded me that growth isn't only about numbers, it's about creativity and self-improvement. I'm always asking myself, how can I make my lessons more interesting, more meaningful, and more motivating? As teachers, creators, or learners, it's easy to forget that steady progress is success. Every small improvement adds up. So yeah, week 8 was quiet, but it was productive. I stayed consistent, found new inspiration, and kept pushing myself to grow. If you're learning English, remember this. Don't just study words, live them. Learn English through stories, emotions, and real life. If you enjoy this journey, hit the like, subscribe, and tell me in the comment what makes you stay motivated. Thanks for watching, and see you in week 9.